Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, we're gonna check out a new pair of budget truly wireless earbuds. I've reviewed a lot of TWS earbuds in the past few weeks, but all of them were quite expensive and you guys were like, hey Vimal, can you make a video on an affordable and budget friendly TWS earbuds? And I just had to do that for you guys. So on my desk, I have brand new earbuds from Procus. They're called the Procus Rogers. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0 TWS earbuds that cost only around 2,500 rupees. That is like very affordable for a truly wireless earbuds. So in this video I'm gonna unbox it and give my full review on the product. The Procus Rogers come in this sort of box packing. The box kinda gives you a nice retro feel. It's got that old vintage colors and I really like it. So we've got some of its features here. Let me show you. As I've told you, their Bluetooth V5.0 offer up to 6 hours of continuous music playtime and supports quick and easy pairing. That's it, there's nothing else written over here. Let's see what do we have at the back. So at the back side, we've got the specs of this product. They've got 5.8mm drivers in them, have a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20 kHz, the impedance is 16 ohms, each of the earbuds come with 60 mAh battery and the case comes with a built-in 500 mAh battery. So those are all the specs of this product. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Procus for sending me this product for review. On opening the box, we've got some paperwork at the top. It's a warranty card, just make sure to read that. And below that, we've got the new TWS earbuds, the Procus Rogers. Let me take it out of the box. So here's the charging case of the Rogers. Looks like the earbuds come placed inside the case. Wow, this thing looks just like a piece of marble. Very attractive. So the top cover opens up like this and here are the TWS earbuds. So before we check them out in detail, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a special USB charging stick to charge the earbuds on the go, a regular USB cable for charging the case, a packet of extra ear tips, they come in different sizes and shapes, and finally you also get a user manual. So that's it, these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me show you the product. So here are the Procus Rogers truly wireless earbuds. They come in this nice looking carry case. Let me just peel the sticker on the top. There you go. So this is how the case looks like. The Procus Rogers come only in black color and it's got a translucent top cover so you can actually see the earbuds through it. The design looks pretty good, it's got an oval shaped design and has a beautiful glossy finish all over it. They feel quite lightweight in the hand and the build quality is also pretty good. The body is entirely made of plastic. So at the back side you've got a micro USB port for charging. That's it, there's nothing else on it except the Procus branding at the top. Let me just open the case and show you. So here are the Rogers TWS earbuds and along with the earbuds you've got a button over here to power on the case and some battery level indicators above that. By pressing this button over here, the case powers on and starts charging your earbuds. You can see a red LED indicator on both of them. And yes, the status LED lights are easily visible through the case. Alright, let me just take the earbuds out of the case and show you. So here they are, the Procus Rogers TWS. They're a bit big in size compared to the regular ones, must be because of the bigger battery. They come in this nice glossy black finish with red color accents on the buttons. The build quality is decent, but looks like they'll attract some fingerprints because of the glossy finish. We've got multi-function buttons on both of them and the status LED indicators just beside that. And also I really like that CD-like texture on the buttons. And talking about the ear tips, they've got soft silicone ear tips which feel nice and durable. And along with that, they also have ear hooks on them to offer extra grip while wearing. Plus one more good thing is, these earphones are also splash and sweat resistant. They're IPX5 rated, so you can even use them during workouts. Well, that was our detailed look at these earbuds. Now what I'll do is I'll just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The Procus Rogers are very lightweight and feel quite comfortable in the ears. The noise isolation is also decent and since they are IPX5 rated sweat resistant, they can also be used during workouts at the gym. Now coming to the audio quality, first of all guys, let me tell you, these are budget friendly and affordable TWS earbuds, so don't expect premium level results. But again, for that price point, it was actually offering really good quality audio. The mids were crisp and clear and the vocals also felt warm and mellow. I could clearly understand all the dialogues. Talking about the bass was also very good. It was producing nice and punchy bass. But coming to the treble, I felt the treble quality was average and could have been better. But on the overall, I was quite satisfied with the audio for the price what we are paying. The THD was less up to 80% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfying. I've already told you right, the Procus Rogers also come with a built-in microphone and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Now let me tell you about the battery. The battery life was very good on these earbuds. On an average at 65% volume level, I was easily getting around 5 hours of continuous working time. But I've told you right, the case comes with a 500 mAh built-in battery and can charge your earbuds fully up to 3 times. That means you'll get a total working time of around 15 to 16 hours, which was pretty awesome. So that was my video on Crocus Rogers budget TWS earbuds. They're really good truly wireless earbuds for the price. The build quality is nice, are comfortable to wear, the audio quality is also pretty good, and the battery life was also great. These earbuds cost around 2,550 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.